Welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can automatically put in borders while working on Microsoft Excel as you are inputting your data or carrying out data entry. So I have with me here an open worksheet. It has list of data. These are the columns. It has a total of 7 columns. Name, age, gender, complexion, state, graduates, and then in the fields has the names and the fields according to the columns. So normally I'm supposed to have this, selecting this. If I am imputing, as I've imputed this now, I would have just done come to this home and do all borders, and then I type the next one. Let's use another name. Let's say Obi Michael. Obi Michael. Obi Michael is 26 years old and is a male and is dark in complexion and he stays in, let's say, Adamawa, and he's a graduate. Watch what is happening. When I want to put in the next, I say Yusuf, Yusuf Bada. Yusuf Bada is 30 years old, still a male, and is dark in complexion, and he resides in Lagos, and he's not a graduate. So by the time I keep doing this, you say that even if I decide to put, okay, let's say I put another one, Ivy, Ivy, Ivy Caroline, and she is 32 years old. Sorry, she is 32 and female and fair in complexion, still stays in Lagos and is a graduate. Yes. Okay. So and you see, let me just add one more entry here. Okay. Let's say that is Barbara. Barbara. Some people call it Barbara. She is 31. She is 31 and she is female. Still is fair in complexion. Nowadays, most of our ladies are fair. Nobody wants to be dark among the ladies. Okay, Abuja. And let's say, yes, she is a graduate. You see, normally I have imputed that's 4 more records and I have not added the border on it. If I decide to add the boost border, I have to come here and still click here to have all borders. But what I'm going to be showing you is a way to do this automatically, so that by the time you are just typing, the border is automatically added. So that is what I'm going to show us. So to do that, what I'm going to do is automatically, so that by the next time I just come to this row and I start typing in, I have automatic border. What I'm going to do is I'll select from this column A to column G, and I go to home on my home tab, and then conditional formatting. I'll click on new row, and I say use a formula to determine which the cell to format. Okay, clicking that, I'm pushing this dialog box so that you see what I'm doing. I click in here, click equal to sign. Next thing I'm going to do is to select the cell which I want it to be marking, so that by the time I click on that cell, it automatically notices I want to impute the data and it automatically adds a borderline for me. So which is cell A1. I've clicked that. Mind you, I don't want the row to be locked. If you lock the row, it's going to like add border automatically even without you inputting anything. So I'm going to take off this dollar sign from the row, and I go here. Next thing I'm going to do is what? To use my greater than, less than, and greater than sign symbol. Okay, and then I close with quotation. two quotations. Okay, this is the formula I have here. So next I'm going to do is click on this format tab and on this format button. What am I formatting? I want border and then outline. I want an outline to show. And then at this outline showing, I'm going to say okay. And then when I do that, it's showing me a preview of what's happened. So by the time I'm going to be typing in on the next row now, I will have my border automatically inserted. Click OK. So now I have it done. So just once you press 13, see what happens. A row border has already been inserted. So I just say this is, let me say this is Theo again. Theo Baiki. Let's say that is he's 23 years old and he's a male and he's dark in complexion. He resides in PH and let's say he is a graduate. When I go next and I put in 14 and you see automatically I have my rows and the row borders. So no matter how much, if I just put in 15, see 16, whatever I put in, I automatically have my borders. Not going to stress myself, always going back to the home and border to put that. That's when you have a lot of data sets that are imputing. This helps you as a data entry specialist or data entry personnel to, as you are shooting, border helps to align your data and make it colorful. That is how to automatically add borders while you are imputing your data. Thank you. If this video was helpful to you, if you find it educating, like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.